Let's cut to the chase. Is it actually possible to make money online? The answer is a resounding yes, of course it is. Take a look at some of these screenshots floating across the screen now, where you'll see people earning thousands of dollars. In addition to this, I'm literally going to show you step by step how I earned $500 on a brand new Fiverr account, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this as well. So make sure you watch the entire video and don't miss out on any of the steps. Here's a hint. I absolutely guarantee that if you follow these steps, you will earn money online. It's just a case of following the step-by-step process and being persistent, and you will do it. But you know, you may have heard of this guy called Ali Abdaal. He's quite big on YouTube, and recently he released a video on how to make money online.
So last year I uploaded a video about 9 passive income ideas that were...
Now, one of those ways was how to become a copywriter.
Alright, so side hustle idea number 6 is actually to become a writer for businesses or YouTubers or creators or entrepreneurs or anyone who needs stuff.
Before Ali released his video, I actually started a brand new Fiverr account as a copywriter. And this is what happened. As you can see, it's just short of $500 earned, and it's a brand new Fiverr account. No one knew about me. I didn't use my existing Facebook or anything else to kind of send people to. It's a brand new account, so it means that if I can do it, you can do it just as easily. Now, let's take a step back here. Why do you want to earn money online?
I didn't want money because of money. I wanted money because it appeared to me that whoever had the money had control of the environment. You have been talked out of the money game, and the people that you've been getting your advice from don't have any money. Money has not made me worse. Money has made me better.
It's really important to boost your top line, which is your income coming in, because with everything that's going on in the world, there's so many expenses pouring out, you need to have additional streams of revenue. I've got a favor to ask you. Smash that like button really hard, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. You want to see how I did it? Okay, let's get cracking. I'm going to go into some of the detail here.
So what does a copywriter, a professional copywriter actually do? Have you ever seen a TV infomercial? Have you ever seen a brochure? Have you ever seen a billboard? Have you ever seen a landing page, a website? Have you ever seen an email? Guess what? Every one of those pieces, content pieces, they were written by copywriters. Every single company on this planet needs copywriters. That's why it's a multi-trillion dollar industry. And thanks to the internet, thanks to social media, now it has been exploding, because there has never been a time in history there's an insatiable amount of demand for content, for copy. Doesn't matter if it's a persuasive article, doesn't matter if it's an email message, doesn't matter if it's an ad on Facebook, doesn't matter if it's a long landing page. Every company needs a good copywriter.
As Dan Lok is saying, there's a huge demand for copywriters. It's a multi-trillion dollar industry. What qualifications do you need? The answer is none. With no qualifications, there are people young and old doing this from home. Here's the interesting part. You are already a copywriter. Did you ever message someone on Facebook? Did you ever post on social media? Did you ever email someone? This is copywriting, so you're already a copywriter. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go to fiverr.com and set up a seller account. So we're just going to go into here, become a seller, and you're going to go and click on become a seller. Now I can't put my details in here because I'm already a seller, but you can go through here. It's really quite easy, and I've linked some videos in the description where it goes through step by step. I'm not going to repeat that work. It really is quite self-explanatory. Now once you've done this, the next thing you want to do is go to your seller account and set up a gig where you showcase what your skills are. So all I did was upload a simple banner, and again I would just put something very simple in here showing that I'm a native English speaker, extolling your virtues. I got this designed by somewhat on Fiverr. I think it cost me a few dollars. So make sure this is nice and professional, and summarize what you are all about. So I put in a bit of a hook here, just talking a little bit about my experience. Again, you can feel free to copy this if you want to. Just kind of put some basics in here about what you do. Put a nice profile photo in here. I've actually not created a video. I could create a video here to step things up a little bit more, but I mean, I was just looking to do a proof of concept, but just do a summary here of what your skills are, and then create 3 gigs. So I put in a basic one, which is around $5, $3.86 in pounds, and do more expensive versions where, as you get busier, you can increase your prices. So for me, the one for 1,200 words is £19, and more expensive are the ones that take longer. So this is your core offer in terms of Fiverr. Now the third thing is you really must work hard to serve your clients. And as you see here, I've got really good feedback. I've got 100% is 5-star feedback. So a lot of different people here have given me good feedback. I've got 23 reviews. It's very important that once you get your orders, that you serve your clients really, really well. And once you do that, that's when things will take off for you. And remember, I've just done this simply from one platform, which is Fiverr. You can do this on a number of different platforms. On this one, I took a brand new account and showed you that you can earn money on Fiverr. Now remember, in this example, I only did it on Fiverr. You can double up, triple up by going on Upworks and many other websites where you'll get additional streams of income. So the question is, do you want to earn money online? If you do, reach out to me. I'll help you and make it happen. It's really that simple. I hope you stay safe and well, and I'll catch up with you really soon. Now it's seeing results like this that will show you that it really is possible. So how do you start to do this? Well, it's really simple. Click on the link below and I'll show you step by step. There's a number of videos that are linked below how you can do this. So, it's just simply taking action.